guys know that Oreo is one of the most popular snacks. It can not only be eaten directly but can also be processed into fried Oreos. How do we do it? Let's see the process.
Hello guys! Today we are going to make something from Oreo.
Can you guess what we will make it?
With these all ingredients that we will make crunchy fried Oreo. So before we cook, I want to tell you what the ingredients to make crunchy fried Oreo.
So, the first ingredients is 1 pack of Oreo, 100 grams of wheat flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 egg, and sugar.
And then we have 70 ml of milk, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, breadcrumbs, and then if you want to make crunchy fried Oreo more delicious, you can add some topping like cheese, matcha powder, and then chocolate powder.
I know you are curious about how to make it, so we will show you about how to make it. Let's go!
Firstly, to make crunchy fried Oreo, you must prepare all the container like this. And then, let's add wheat flour with sugar. If you like sweet, you can add more sugar. And then stir until well mixed, like this.
Yes, everyone. Secondly, add egg,
Break the egg.
liquid milk, cooking oil. Next, stir again until tight knit. Like this, everyone.
After we make the dough, like this everyone, you take the Oreo and then put into the dough and coat it like this. After that, put the Oreo into breadcrumbs and coat it again with breadcrumbs. Anyway guys, did you know why we must coat the Oreo with breadcrumbs like this?
I know guys. Yes guys, we coat the Oreos with breadcrumbs in order to the Oreos has a crunchy taste.
Guys, this is the final result after we coat the Oreo with dough and breadcrumbs.
So let's go. We move to the kitchen to frying the Oreos. Let's
Let's
go.
Now, let's heating the oil over medium heat. Frying the Oreos until brown. By the way guys, you must be careful to the heat oil. When you see Oreos have changed the color like this into brown, into tanned, removing and draining very carefully. These are fried Oreos. This is fried Oreo that we have done to frying it.
You can choose use topping or not, but today we will show you add topping in the Oreos. The topping in order to make Oreos more delicious and attractive.
You can choose one of them or you can add all of them. We want to take the topping cheese. And finally, crunchy fried Oreo is ready to serve and eat.
Delicious and crunchy, everyone.
Would like to try this one? Bye bye.